Hello friends, today I am trying to say something about the aura length. We have to know that only aura and aura detection is not enough. You have to know the length of any aura. It says the depth of that particular individual or the status. Normally, the dowsing devices which you are using, it says yes, no, positive, negative, but it is not limited into that particular arena. It says each and everything in a very, very descriptive manner. It is not a theoretical thing, it is very practical thing. I never thought earlier to say something about my subject because these days people keep saying me that please you say something about your subject, and that's the only reason why I feel the importance to say something about aura reading and astro-dowsing. Aura length is a very miracle thing. For a good person, it has a big aura. For a bad person also, it has a big aura. So it says about the quantum of the bundle of energy. So you have to catch it. What kind of energy level it carries. If you are clairvoyant or try to be a clairvoyant, you can see the color of the auras also in your naked eyes. That is the reason the occult science, the practice of occult science starts right from the beginning, maybe from the childhood. And that is the reason you can find पहले ज़माने में ऋषि लोगों के पास बच्चे लोगों को भेज दिया जाता था और वो लोग उधर ब्रह्मचर्य आश्रम में अलग अलग मंत्र, अलग अलग सिस्टम, रीति रिवाज के साथ उनका आत्मिक डेवलपमेंट करने लगते थे. इसके कारण उनका सिक्स सेंस डेवलप हुआ करता था. Fortunately, I have also started this occult science practice in my childhood days. And that's the reason I have started realizing many things. I feel sometimes really very interesting and very encouraging for me when I have counted that I have crossed more than 1 lakh horoscopes in my life. It is an achievement for me. But for an astrologer also, it is not enough. If you only see a horoscope, you have to connect your subconscious to know about that individual. Because same kind of horoscope you can find in 10 or 100 or many persons chart, but their lifestyle is different. Because we have two different DNA. One DNA we are getting from our parents, and one DNA that is invisible, that our spirit, अपना आत्मा जो अलग अलग लाइफ में वो कैरी करते हुए आगे आ रहा है. Transmigration of human soul carries the essence of the previous birth. So if we are not able to connect those particular points while detecting or predicting something, it will be very difficult for the analysis. Then it will be a vague kind of story we will start saying, and it can really help anyone in a sensible manner. So please, if you are in the student in this particular field, please try to connect yourself with your sixth sense. Thank you, my dear.